Saving money as a student can be challenging, but it's definitely possible. And with the smart strategies, it's going to be very possible. So here are 10 most effective strategies. Number one, create a budget. So basically, track your income and expenses to understand where your money goes. Allocate specific amounts of money for necessities, for savings and entertainment. Number two now, use student discounts. So take full advantage of student discounts available at stores, restaurants, and online. Always ask if a discount is available. Number three, cook at home. Prepare meals instead of eating out. Meal prepping can save both time and money. Works for me. Number four, limit eating out. Okay, so basically set a budget for dining. Stick to it. So consider cheap meal options like campus dining plans or food trucks. All right, so number five, buy rented or used textbooks. So look for used textbooks and consider renting or using digital versions, which can be cheaper. Number six, use public transportation. Save on gas and parking by using public transportation or biking. Many campuses also offer free or discounted transit passes. Number seven, cut unnecessary subscriptions. Review or cancel any subscriptions that you don't regularly use, like streaming services or magazines. Number eight, work part-time. So consider, part-time jobs or campus work study programs to earn extra income. Number nine, share expenses. So, with roommates, split costs on rent, sharing transportation costs with friends, that helps a lot. And number 10, set savings goals. So define specific savings targets, whether for emergencies, travel, or future expenses, to stay motivated. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively save money during your student years.